confidence with your voice, confidence with talking with your voice on camera so everyone can hear what you have to say. Hey, I'm Lisa Monette. I'm here down in Badass Beauty TV, and I have a group called Badass Live, and I am passionate about helping people communicate on camera so that people can understand what you have to say. All the training I've had in my life with some of the best teachers and coaches in the world have all talked about enunciating, moving, energy, moving that jaw so that you can be heard. When you are talking with your teeth really tight like this, it doesn't help you communicate. So you have to drop the jaw. So even if you're walking, and I'm going into some different lighting right now, I'm down here in my studio, and you can see that we've got like, different soft boxes, different coloring going on. But my communication keeps staying at a volume that you can hear what I'm talking about. Have you seen people online on video where they are whispering and they're talking so soft? And you want to hear their message, you want to know what they're up to, but it's kind of boring. So I don't expect you to sing, but I do expect you to use your volume in a way that people can get what you're talking about. So what am I talking about today? Number one tip is to use volume, drop your jaw a little bit more when you're speaking, and make sure that you have enough tone that people can understand you. Sometimes I hear people speak and they are just so boring. They're talking soft, they're talking gentle, they're looking around. It's the camera right there, looking right at you, hello, right to you. But the message today is, how much are you using the volume in your voice? What's the volume you're using? Are you using levels of it, or are you keeping it really low? Today, go out when you make your video. I want you to use lots of volume, drop your jaw, enunciate, and tell people what you are up to so that they will listen. Are you listening? I'm listening. I want to hear more.